If you want to eject SIM tray on Samsung Galaxy A37, then first of all we need to take a look at the bottom of the phone, where we can find our SIM tray, which is of course over here. We can also find this SIM tray hole, and we will need to use the eject tool that we can find inside the box. We need to put this eject tool into this hole, and then we need to push it into the phone in order to make it pop out just like that. Now once the SIM tray pops out, then we should be able to use our fingernails or fingers in order to remove the SIM tray completely from the device. There we go. And in here we should be able to find our SIM cards slots. So here I have SIM card slot number 1. On the reverse side we have SIM card slot number 2. So now we just need to match the shape of the slot and put the SIM in the correct place. There we go. So here we have SIM 1, and you should also keep holding your SIM with your finger when you're trying to insert another SIM, or maybe when you're trying to insert the SIM tray back into the phone, because these SIM card slots are really loose and it's really easy to drop and lose your SIM cards. So we need to be aware of that. All right, so once we insert our SIM cards into the SIM tray, now we need to put the SIM tray back into the phone, of course. So we're gonna put it back in. There we go. And we're gonna slide it all the way into the phone just like that, and make sure that it doesn't stick out. If it does, you want to remove the SIM tray back again and make sure that your SIMs are inserted correctly. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.